we are now looking at the abstract. Most students, they make mistake when it comes to writing an abstract. After they must have done the design of their project, they have done a couple of simulations, they have done a couple of soldering, a couple of analysis. They have plotted the graph either by using the software, or by using other means to plot the graph, maybe like by using Excel. I mean, that's what I mean by other means, or by using the graph generated from the oscilloscopes itself. But the challenge is that after they have done all those things, to present their work technically becomes a problem. To write the report, to convince the reader becomes a problem. And we are in a generation where people are becoming lazy because of AI. And let me tell you, the good news is that if you are in the UK or you are in Nigeria or any part of Africa, and you think you can go to AI and write a report and you will not be caught, you will be caught. Somebody like me, if you write a report for me and it's from I will use my Turnitin to check first. Turnitin will check and it might not detect AI. But we now have AI detect. We have device now, AI detector that will detect those students that write their report by using AI. So we don't need to be academically lazy. So you don't need to go for AI. All you need to know is to understand the rules and regulations that govern writing of each of the sections of your projects that you need to write, or each of the section of the technical report that you are presenting. So once you understand that, you won't have any problem at all. Writing a paper. When I came to the UK, I don't have any paper, but today I have 17 paper, and both in Scopus in Index, both Scopus Index paper, and many other outlet papers now. So you can also write paper. Now, let's take a look at abstract now. What is an abstract? Then how do we write an abstract? Abstract should be the last thing in any report you are writing. It should be after you must have written your introduction, your literature review, every other thing after you must have written them. Your abstract must be the last thing, written last. It provides a brief overview of the substance of the report. That is an abstract. It provides a brief overview of the substance of the report. And it is a stand-alone document generally used by busy managers who might not have time to read the full report. Your manager may not have time to go through everything you have presented as your technical report, but mere seeing the abstract, he or she should be able to know, should be able to get the knowledge of what has been designed, of what you have done, and of what you are presenting to him. The same thing when you are presenting your project, probably in Africa, where you have many students presenting projects at the same time, let's say about 200 defending a project. It might be difficult for your supervisor or those in the panel to start reading everything you have written down. But once they check the abstract, they will know whether you have done the right thing or you have done a wrong thing. Now, I'm giving you this abstract as a case study now. This is an abstract of one of my projects, which was also which was also presented to one of senior lecturer that finished from UCL in United Kingdom. That is University College London. So this is an abstract, and it is a very, very good abstract. Let's analyze this abstract, and it can serve, or it will serve as a guideline for you when you are writing your own abstract later. Now, let's take a look at how it starts. Wireless charging system have seen a rapid rise in medical devices, mobile sensing, consumer electronics, electric vehicles, and other applications due to their high operational flexibility. Now, looking at the first line now, it prepares your mind to what that project is all about. That is, the project is talking about how wireless charging system have been used in various areas and various disciplines. Now, it now come with, for elderly persons who wearable health device battery might run out, but who might forget to recharge them. This project offered wireless charging capability for wearable heart rate monitor medical device. Now, the second line is now telling you the problem we are trying to address in this project now, that this project is for elderly people who put on wearable health device, and because those wearable device require a continuous charging, and they may forget because of their old age to charge it. Therefore, we are trying to get a system that can charge their battery wirelessly without even them using their wire. Now, it now continue by saying, unlike current expensive and difficult to operate projects in the market that have delivered the power wirelessly to implantable biomedical device, this project is a fast charging technology, low cost, and easy to operate wireless charging system. It now try to tell us the benefits of using this project we are designing now, and not the one that are already in the market now, because we are solving a problem in the market. Variety of them has been designed, but what is the difference between your own design and the one that is already in the market? Because if you are telling me you are going to produce what is already in the market that Amazon is already selling, or what's, then there is no, you are not bringing in a new idea. And engineering is about bringing in new things. So now it's not telling us unlike the one in the market. So these are the ways you should present your abstract. And not that alone, the final stage now. The project background was thoroughly investigated through a thorough literature analysis on wireless charging system and mobile sensors in order to fully comprehend wireless power phenomena and present system constraint. Protus 8 is a professional simulation environment that has been used to build and simulate a wireless power transfer employing inductive coupling. The wireless power transmitter works on the basis that it dictates the wireless power receiver, and if the latter is within communication range, the transmitter is enabled, otherwise it is in sleep mode. Now, with that, the abstract has now told you that the person that is presenting this technical report started the technical report or the design by carrying out a literature review of projects that are related to this one, so that it will serve as a guideline for him or for her to know where to channel his focus to, so that he can see where are the what is the research gap, what is lacking in the present product in the market, and how do I come in now. So then he now told us of the fact that he used Protus 8 professional softwares to do the simulation of the circuits he designed, and with that he believed is good to go. Then he now further discussed how it was implemented by using LCD screen, by using Arduino board, by 9-volt battery, and also by using resistor, the voltage regulator, and every other component. And in the final note, we now have that the implemented design worked effectively based on the result of the performance test obtained. Can you see now? This is a very, very good abstract. And if you place this abstract on Turnitin, you see that none of them was copied from any source. So that is how a good abstract should be. Then we now have the keywords now. Always include your keywords. The keywords, what are they? The energy harvesting, the mobile sensor, IoT, wireless charging system, inductive charging, wireless power transfer system, earth rate wearable device. So you can see now that this abstract in this case study now provide a brief overview of the substance of everything that was done in that report. If this is to be taken and digest, you will discover that it has captured everything that you need as far as the project is concerned. So that is abstract.